Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Unity Prep from St. Andrew going up against Hayes Primary from Clarendon. I'm your host, Joni Wedderburn, and the action begins right now. Earlier we had the toss and Hayes Primary won and decided to send Unity Prep first, so we begin with Unity Prep. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer and each correct answer is worth 1 point. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's have 4 minutes on the clock. We begin with Bible knowledge. This is for Unity Prep. In the story of creation, on which day did God create the sun, moon, and stars?
The first, day four.
That is correct. Hayes, in the story of creation, on which day did God create man?
The sixth day.
That is correct. Science, Unity, what are the hairs that grow on the bony ridge above the human eye called?
Eyebrows.
That is correct. Hayes, what are the hairs on the eyelids that help to screen out lights from the human eyes called?
Eyelash.
That is correct. Local affairs, Unity, who is the mayor of Portmore in St. Catherine?
Leon Thomas.
That is correct. Hayes, who is the mayor of Kingston and St. Andrew?
Andrew Swaby.
That is right. Unity, English language, spell memory.
MEMORY.
That's right. Hayes, spell victory.
VICTORY.
That's right. Television, Unity. Which color is associated with the Powerpuff Girl Blossom in the cartoon series?
Red.
Incorrect, it's pink. Over to you, Hayes. Which color is associated with the Powerpuff Girl Buttercup in the cartoon series?
Green.
That's right. General knowledge, Unity. In which country is the capital city of St. John's?
Antigua and Barbuda.
That is correct. Hayes, in which country is the capital city of Santo Domingo?
Dominican Republic.
That's correct. Social studies, Unity. What is the largest layer in the structure of the earth? Hayes, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's the mantle. Hayes, what is the thick liquid part of the Earth's mantle called?
The core.
Incorrect, it's magma. Music, Unity. What is the birth name of the Jamaican singer with the stage name Shaggy?
Mark Myrie.
Incorrect, it's Orville Burrell. Hayes, what is the birth name of the Jamaican singer with the stage name Sean Paul? Unity, would you like to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's Sean Henriquez. Mathematics, Unity. A certain number divided by 5 gives a result of 19 and a remainder of 4. What is the number? Hayes, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's 99. Hayes, a certain number divided by 7 gives a result of 8 and a remainder of 5. What is the number? Unity, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
61. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Unity Prep on 5 and Hayes Primary on 6. Stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns after these messages.